Welcome to this video on the brain, presented by Soham S. Naik. What is the definition of the brain? It is a complex organ that serves as the center of the nervous system, processing sensory information, controlling movement, and facilitating thought, emotion, and behavior. The brain is the command and control center and a central information processing organ. It is protected within the cranium, also known as the brain box. The brain is also covered by the cranial meninges, the outer dura mater, the middle arachnoid mater, and the inner pia mater. This image illustrates the protective layers of the meninges and their relation to the skull and the brain. The brain is divided into three main parts: the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. The midbrain has no further division. The forebrain includes the cerebrum, hippocampus, amygdala, olfactory lobes, epithalamus, thalamus, and hypothalamus. The epithalamus, thalamus, and hypothalamus are also known as the diencephalon. The hindbrain consists of the cerebellum, pons, and medulla. The cerebrum is the most prominent part of the forebrain. It has outer gray matter, which gets its appearance from the presence of cell bodies, and inner white matter, which consists of myelinated axons. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is responsible for controlling movement, processing sensory information, and facilitating thought, emotion, and behavior. The cerebrum includes various lobes such as the frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital lobes, each responsible for different functions like memory, visual processing, and the feeling of hot or cold. An important point about the cerebrum is that a deep cleft divides it longitudinally into the left and right cerebral hemispheres. The corpus callosum, a tract of nerve fibers, connects both hemispheres. The cerebral cortex, the outer part of the cerebrum, has various functional areas: the sensory area, the motor area, and the association area. The sensory area receives sensory input, the motor area sends motor information, and the association area is prominent, involved in memory, communication, and intersensory functions. The hippocampus and amygdala are crucial components. The hippocampus converts short-term memory into long-term memory. The amygdala is almond-shaped and responsible for anger and rage. Together with the hypothalamus, they form the emotional brain. Diencephalon is composed of the thalamus, epithalamus, and hypothalamus. The thalamus is the relay center for information passing to and from the cerebrum. The epithalamus contains the pineal gland. The hypothalamus connects the endocrine and neural systems, is part of the emotional brain, and controls various hormones, as well as being the THARMOREGULATION center. The midbrain is located between the thalamus/hypothalamus of the forebrain and the pons of the hindbrain. On its dorsal side, there are four swellings or lobes called the corpora quadrigemina. The cerebral aqueduct canal passes through the midbrain. The hindbrain consists of the cerebellum, pons, and medulla. The medulla connects to the spinal cord and has centers controlling heart rate, breathing rate, RRC, gastric juice secretion, and is the vomiting center. The brainstem is composed of the midbrain, pons, and medulla. The cerebellum, or little brain, is the second largest part of the brain. It coordinates muscle movements, balance, and posture, controls involuntary functions, and is involved in body balancing. It has a convoluted surface and two cerebellar hemispheres. The pons acts like a bridge, consisting of neurons that connect different regions of the brain. It also contains the pneumotaxic center. This illustration provides a visual overview of the human brain structure, highlighting key components we have discussed. Thank you for watching this video on the brain.